In this video, you'll learn how to turn off two-step verification on your GoDaddy account. We'll go through each part of the process slowly and clearly so you know exactly what to expect and what you're changing. By the end, you'll understand not just how to disable it, but also what it means for your account security. First, you'll need to get to the right place in your GoDaddy account. Start by opening your browser and signing in to GoDaddy using your usual username and password. Once you're logged in, look for your account settings. This is typically found by clicking on your profile icon or your account name near the top of the page. From there, navigate to the section called Login and PIN, or something very similar. That page is where GoDaddy keeps your main sign-in and security options, including two-step verification. When you arrive on the Login and PIN page, GoDaddy will usually want to confirm that it's really you before allowing changes to important security settings. This is where the final authentication step comes in. Even though you're trying to turn off two-step verification, you still need to pass it one more time. Depending on how you originally set up your two-step verification, you might receive a text message with a code, get a notification or a one-time code from an authenticator app, or be asked to use a hardware security key. Check your phone, your app, or your key for the code or prompt. Enter that code in the field provided on GoDaddy's site, or approve the sign-in if your app or device asks you to do that. Once the correct code is accepted, you'll be allowed to continue to the detailed security settings. Now that you've authenticated, stay on the same page and look for a section labeled Enhanced Security or similar wording. Inside that section, you should see an option for two-step verification. Next to it, there will usually be a toggle or switch showing that it is currently turned on. To turn off two-step verification, click or tap that toggle to switch it from on to off. When you do this, GoDaddy may show a warning or confirmation message explaining that you are removing an extra layer of protection from your account. Read that message carefully so you understand the impact. If you are sure you want to proceed, confirm that you want to disable two-step verification. After you confirm, the toggle should remain in the off position. Take a moment to double-check the page and make sure it clearly shows that two-step verification is disabled. If you want to be extra sure, you can sign out of your account and then sign back in to see that you're no longer prompted for a second verification code. That's it. You've turned off two-step verification on your GoDaddy account.